I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a tire on a Ford Transit Custom. First, prioritize safety by finding a flat, stable area away from moving vehicles. Next, gather all necessary equipment, including your vehicle's jack, wheel brace, and the locking wheel nut key. Don't forget a warning triangle for visibility and gloves to keep your hands clean. Always ensure the parking brake is fully engaged before starting any work. With your vehicle safely parked, begin by slightly loosening the wheel nuts on the flat tire. Use the wheel brace and turn counterclockwise, but do not remove them yet. Now, locate the correct jacking point on your Ford Transit Customs chassis, usually indicated in your owner's manual. Position the jack firmly and slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground, allowing for easy removal. Once the vehicle is lifted, you can now fully remove the wheel nuts you previously loosened. Carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Next, retrieve your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the hub. Gently push the spare tire onto the hub, ensuring it sits flush. Then, hand tighten all the wheel nuts back onto the studs, making sure they are snug. With the spare tire in place and hand tightened, slowly lower your Ford Transit Custom using the jack until the new tire is firmly on the ground. Now, using the wheel brace, fully tighten all the wheel nuts. It's crucial to tighten them in a star pattern to ensure even pressure across the wheel. Finally, remember to stow all your tools, the jack, and the flat tire securely in their designated compartments before driving off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.